and we'll see the full quota of 20 overs because the sun has now broken out from behind the clouds and is shining down benignly on the ground, bathing the players, the spectators, and the grass in a splendor of golden light mixed with some pearly light, because it's not shining with full vigor, but at least the sun, winter sun, is showing itself after all finally. So 170 would be at least valiant attempt by the captain, got his hands to it, got his hands to it, but it just popped out of the hand. But valiant attempt by the skipper himself, just out of his reach. It would have been a fine catch if taken. Good attempt. He took a similar catch earlier in the day, the captain of Netsol, Faraz, and that was a wild swing. Beaten. So crouching over his bat and getting ready for the next delivery. 19th over in progress. The bowler comes in now from the Daffy Stadium and crosses again. Beaten. Rather a snick to the wicketkeeper. Yes, a snick to the wicketkeeper, and the batsman failing to read the sharp rising delivery, caught the faintest of edges. An appeal, and umpire Hassan Mahmood, after watching carefully, decided to raise the fatal finger. Sixth wicket goes down and brings in Noman. 7 wickets, 7 scalps have gone down, and Noman is now the new batsman in the 19th over with only 1 over remaining in the innings. A score of 149 has been posted so far by the Unisoft batsman. In the 19th over, as the bowler comes in and sharp rising outside the off stump. One for the over, signaled by the batsman, by the umpire, and bowled him, clean bowled. The second wonderful sight for spectators and bowlers alike, and the fielding side. The middle stump goes cartwheeling out of the ground. Earlier in the day we saw such a similar delivery, and now a wild swing took his eyes off the ball, head high up in the air, and the ball was on a good length, cartwheeled into the middle stump and knocked it flying out of the ground. The 8th wicket goes down. So containing the scoring of the Unisoft side, Netsol bowlers. Good counter attack by the Netsol side and taking some wickets at the fag end of the innings. Mujahid Hussain is the new batsman. 19th over in progress, 8 wickets down. They may be in danger of being bowled out before their allotted quota of 20 overs if these 2 wickets they manage to get Netsol. Still they have crossed 150. 149 is the score and 150 is a fighting total. and they still have 1 over to go after this and some balls of the 19th over. I think they will go around my original predicted score of 160. Again bowled. 19 overs, 149 for 9. And I think that the stump it seems to be broken. Stump toot gaya? The stump, the off stump seems to have broken down with the force of the delivery. Fast ball. Or is it bent? Bent out of position, yes. Bent out of position, straightened by the umpire Hassan Mahmood, who does a repairing job on it. Puts the bails on top.